A day at the Pokemon Cafe in Tokyo, Japan. This is the mall access entrance at the 5th floor.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing.
Snorlax will welcome you.
But they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle.
The Pokemon Cafe entrance is on the left.
Don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do. And when you're making money, make
on
sure
this
you
wall
don't
you
spend
can
it too
see
soon.
the history of
Fuck that, I'll
Pokemon.
do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that
And it will lead
proceed.
you to the store.
I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make
Reservation
it.
is
They want me to
not
do
required
something that
here.
can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck.
There are tons of Pokemon merch you can buy here.
They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level. They think that work is too stressful, I think that work is essential. The grind is all in your mental, and I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I had no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm
For
never
the
gonna
cafe,
make it.
you have
They
to
want me
make a
do something that
reservation.
can make
Here's
sense.
how.
They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah.
This is
So
the
I'ma
cafe
figure out what else
entrance.
we
These are
succeed,
merch
and then invest all of my
exclusively
time into
available
that and
in the
proceed.
cafe.
I need whatever the hell can
This
make
is
me
the board
happy,
that
and I
shows
don't
the
think
time
you have a
slots.
clue what could that be. They
You
tell
cannot
me that
choose
I'm never
seats
gonna
though.
make it.
We were
They
seated
want me to
at the
do something
Snorlax
that can
area.
make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck,
Pokeball.
I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck.
This
I'ma
is
keep
the
chasing.
specials
I could be
menu.
special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level. They think that work is too stressful, I think that work is essential. The grind is all in your mental,
Cute
and
placemat.
I don't
You
think
can take it
understand
home.
what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really
This
need a
is the
mask
cafe
with all I've
guide.
been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans
You
are
can place
contagious.
your
I
order
attack
via
that
the
shit, I'm
iPad.
tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I had no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that
These
I'm
are the
never
latte
gonna
art
make it.
you can
They
choose
want me
from.
to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing.
This is what we
They tell
ordered.
me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential, this
Snorlax plate is
but
too
they hate when you're
cute.
successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a
Jenger's
good
confused.
job, don't
Gray
slack off.
smoothie.
Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon.
Cutleries also have character logo. Pikachu plate, also very cute.
Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody is right.
Free coaster when you order a drink.
And then invest all of my time into
And
that
this is
proceed.
at the ground
I need
floor,
whatever
building
the hell can
entrance.
make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell